Module 1. Lecture A. Introduction to the course. Imagine sitting down at your computer and, instead of just using other people's software, you can actually tell your machine what to do, step by step, and watch it respond. Python for Beginners is designed to take you from "I'm curious, but not sure where to start" to confidently writing and running your own useful programs. You'll set up a working Python environment, learn how to run code from an editor and the terminal, and quickly move from printing your first message on screen to organizing small scripts that already feel practical and purposeful. Across 10 focused modules, you'll build up your skills in a clear, logical sequence. You'll explore core data types and variables, capture and clean user input, and control your program's behavior with conditions and loops. You'll work with lists, tuples, and dictionaries to manage collections of data, then design clean, reusable functions and simple modules so your code is easier to understand and maintain. From there, you'll deepen your string skills. Parse structured text like CSV lines and key value pairs, and read from and write to text files to generate real reports. You'll also learn to debug confidently, use the standard library for tasks like math, randomness, and dates, and finally, plan and build a complete project that ties everything together in a realistic, user-focused program. By the end of this course, you won't just know some Python syntax. You'll be able to design small programs from scratch, choose the right data structures, structure your code with functions, work with files, and track down and fix errors without feeling lost. You'll understand how to read documentation and adapt examples to your own ideas, and you'll have a finished project that proves to you that you can turn a rough idea into a working tool. Most importantly, you'll come away feeling capable, prepared to keep learning, and ready to say, with evidence, yes, I can write Python programs that actually do something useful. Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next lecture.